And we started out with this trade here where I said, yes, watching for the short opportunity at the top edge. You can see the time of the trade was this red box here, so this dotted line on the charts. You can see that 2 minutes later, the top edge was put in and the sell came away from the trade 2 minutes later. You can see that this is almost looks as if it's a photograph of the same chart. The exact same narrative, the exact same kind of top edge, the exact same second candle pop to the upside. You'll see that again, I called this dealer sell starting to show at 78s, and then we get the big trade at 78.5, and then we get the big sell off. 2 trades, called live in the room on the right hand edge of the charts. Total value $1,000 per contract. So you can see that just getting that little insight into the dealer's mind about what they're going to be doing at those prices. Remember, the dealers sell on upticks and buy on downticks, so they are passive absorbers of trade. Now, what is it I'm watching? What is it I'm predicting? I'm watching the combination of trade lining up with price action. So, for example, if I'm watching the outside bid and offer by the dealers, bearing in mind I've got access to dealer bids and offers. So if I've got the current price trading here and there's a dealer offer here, the current price trades here, the dealer offers here, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Current price here, dealer offer here, I'm not interested. Current price here, dealer offer here, now I'm interested. That's what triggers me to a possible sell trade, right? The dealer is now coming to the price, not the price coming to the dealer. Because if the price comes to the dealer might just pull away from the price. So the dealer's coming to the price. And what happens a lot of the times when that starts moving is that we then match the price right there. And the dealer starts now absorbing that phase, which is why you see 2 candles usually into that same top price. So you'll see that price, you'll see that price, and then you'll see this. So we can start to recognize that combination of factors coming into the markets at that point. And what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the price coming to the dealer, but that's not the most important part. The price always comes to the dealer. I'm watching the dealer coming to the price. And when they both match up, that's when I send the tweet. I sent the tweet when this was happening here. You'll see that from the tweet itself. I sent the tweet when it was coming to that point. Or if I've just missed it, I just tell you the first time it's happened, watching some sort of short opportunities. So in other words, the price was coming up to the dealer was starting to come to the price. And then we start getting into that price area there, then we hammer it for the short trade. And then you can see exactly the same thing happened here. Dealer sell starting to show at 78. That's not going to be the end of it. Very rarely is that the end of it. It's the dealer sell starting to show at 78. Usually they are just starting the sell process. It goes up another candle. They'll hammer that up candle, and then we get the big sell-off away from that price. So it's just part and parcel of the dealer process when we're looking at those types of trades. Now, they are short-term in nature, by the way. Dealers can flip a lot of the times, which is why you've got to be mindful of the fact that these aren't swing trades. These are dealer trades. These are guys clearing books. These are guys holding books in place. And obviously that's what's happening just now on the S&P. The bottom edge is a dealer buy off the 20 just now. I'm waiting to see if they're going to do it again into the next retest of 20. I'd like to see them sweeping that now, and I'd like to see it trading 19s and 18s, and then the dealers show up again into the same trade. That last call at 20 rallied up to a high price of 25. So you can see that that was a reasonable dealer trade. They are bidding into the lows still in this case at the present moment. They are still bidding into this as a storyline. And we'll see what happens.